In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cell checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Checkboxes can be a great tool for adding interactivity to your spreadsheets, whether you want to keep track of tasks, collect data input, or simply add an element of organization. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to seamlessly add them to your Excel documents. First, let's start by opening up your Microsoft 365. Once you're logged in, click on Excel. This will bring you to the home page where you can either start a new workbook or choose one of your existing files from the list. If you already have your data set and know where you'd like to add your checkboxes, go ahead and select your workbook. With the workbook open, identify the specific cell or range of cells where you want your checkbox to appear. Click to select those cells. This is the area where you'll be implementing the checkbox functionality. Having a clear idea of where your checkboxes will go will make things much easier as we move forward. Next, move your cursor to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. Here you'll find various tabs across the top. You're going to want to select the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to a myriad of interactive elements you can add to your worksheet. So click on it to reveal its options. Within the Insert tab, there are sections for various shapes, charts, and functionalities. What you're looking for in this step is the checkbox option. Click on Checkbox. This action will allow you to add checkboxes directly inside the cells you selected. While these steps are straightforward, a tip to consider is ensuring that your cells are appropriately sized for the checkboxes. This way they fit nicely and don't disrupt the overall layout of your spreadsheet. You can adjust the width or height of the cells by clicking and dragging the edges to resize them as necessary. Once the checkbox is inserted, you can actually extend its interactive capabilities. For example, linking the checkbox to other cells can be useful for creating dynamic lists or auto-generating task statuses. To do this, right-click on the checkbox, select Format Control, and explore the options available to you in the dialog box that appears. And there you have it, how to add a checkbox to a cell in Microsoft Excel. This simple feature can significantly enhance your spreadsheet's functionality, making tasks easier to manage and data more accessible. Thank you for watching and happy Excel crafting.